I'm always asking, what's going to change your money game next month? The answer is almost always more. When I'm talking to coaching clients or family or friends, if I had another $1,000 next month, I could do X, Y, or Z. This week, I'll be breaking down how to and what not to do with your next stream of income or your side hustle. If you're stuck in a you have to make money to spend money cycle, you may be in a pyramid scheme. If your friend is promising you to work for yourself, be your own boss, own your own destiny, you may be in a pyramid scheme. If your garage is full of leggings or sweaters or whatever, you may be in a pyramid scheme. I'm unapologetically anti-MLM, that's mid-level marketing. 99% of people end up losing money. That's a proven statistic. Here's an example to make another $1,000 a month. It goes like this: skill, market, deliver. I was on a coaching call with a friend, and he just got married and needed more money to support their new lifestyle. They bought a house, they've got this mortgage, and he doesn't make much as a pastor, but he didn't want to spend all of his nights making deliveries and driving Uber and building up miles and wear and tear on his car. As a pastor, he could officiate weddings and make 5 times more per hour than the average Uber driver. Now, that's a skill. Now he just needs to unlock how to market and deliver. We'll unpack that one next. When marketing a side hustle, prioritize efficiency and minimizing your financial risk. For my friend officiating weddings, his best marketing is going to come from referrals. He needs to officiate 2 weddings each month to meet his goal. If each wedding nets him about 2 to 3 referrals on average for the following year, then he needs to officiate 4 to 5 weddings this year to get the snowball rolling. First, you have to ask. You have to provide an easy way for people that you've served to refer your business, and you have to ideally give them incentive to share your name as well. Now, refer this video to someone you know starting up a side hustle. You have to have a good product or it won't matter. And now realize I say good and not perfect. Too many people fail to launch, and an eagle that never leaves the nest, it becomes a turkey. And we want to see you soaring in all your areas of income and your entire budget. Your first try is going to be worse than your 50th try, so it's time to get going. Post, make, share, coach, teach, do whatever it is that you're doing and you're providing. Start delivering and make sure that each iteration is 1% better than the most recent. Also, go ahead and give yourself a head start by getting our ebook, 5 Steps from Financial Stress to Success. You just have to subscribe to the newsletter. I'll send you an email each week with a brief way for you to help save money and build lasting wealth. Here's your project for today. Sit down, blank sheet of paper, and write out 100 ideas. No more, no less. Your goal is 100. They can be 100 unique ways to make money, or it could be 100 facets of something that you already do. Too often, I'm sitting down with a coaching client and they're stuck on their very first idea. And honestly, their first idea is not even that good. Forcing yourself to generate 100 different possibilities will help refine what you're good at and what your best options are. And exercising your creativity, it's like a muscle. It's going to improve the farther down that list you go. Like, subscribe, and comment your best ideas after this exercise, and I'll help unpack them to take them to the next level. Speaking of next level, next week I've got some inspirational stories from all throughout 2022 of people winning and changing their lives in their financial futures. I post every day on all the socials. You can find me at I'm DF Bradley or at dfbradley.com for some family finances made simple, some free educational content. And in the meantime, watch this video on inflation so that you're ready for the new year.